welcome dear students. This is our next problem having been chosen from the book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, what is the speed of a particle that is observed to have momentum 500 million electron volt over c, where c is the speed of light, and energy 1746 million electron volt? What is the particle's mass in million electron volt over c square? Okay, as usual, we first come to its now we come to its solution, but as usual, first of all, we try to develop a foundation regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, this foundation will help us to understand this problem properly. Okay, so in this problem, three snapshots have been chosen from different books. Okay, first snapshot is from University Physics by Young Friedman, while I am not sure about second and third snapshot. Perhaps these snapshots have been taken from Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Gianni Mosca. Okay, anyhow, it is not very much important. So first snapshot is about Lorentz factor gamma. Okay, Lorentz factor gamma is equal to 1 over 1 minus u square over c square under root, where gamma is the Lorentz factor, u is the speed of one frame of reference relative to an other, and c is the speed of light in vacuum or vacuum. Okay, second snapshot is about the total energy. Okay, the total energy E of a particle is given by E equal to mc square over 1 minus u square over c square under root. This alternatively becomes equal to gamma mc square. Third snapshot gives us a relation between total energy, rest energy, and momentum. Okay, the relativistic linear momentum of a particle is related to its total energy through the equation E square is equal to P square C square plus mc square whole square. Okay, E square is equal to P square C square plus mc square whole square. In view of these three snapshots, we start our solution from this equation that E square is equal to Pc square plus mc square whole square. Okay, E is given in this statement, which is 1746 million electron volt. Okay, so in place of E, we have used this value 1746 million electron volt, which is provided in this statement, is equal to Pc square plus mc square. In place of Pc, we will put 500 million electron volt, which is also given in this statement. Okay, plus mc square whole square. We have yet not touched this third factor. Okay, once again we move to statement. Okay, momentum 500 million electron volt over c, and energy 1746 million electron volt. Okay, so in this equation we have just put two values, and third value will be calculated in this way. Okay, so from here we have kept mc square whole square on one side, and hence 500 million electron volt will be shifted to other side of equality and it will be subtracted. Okay, while before shifting it is positive and after shifting it will become negative. This implies that mc square whole square is equal to 1746 million electron volt whole square minus 500 million electron volt. Sorry dear students, this is actually 500 million electron volt, 500 million electron volt over C. 500 actually dear students, this is P is equal to 500 MeV over C. This C will be multiplied with P and PC will become equal to 500 million electron volt. PC will become equal to 500 million electron volt, and here PC is because in square, so there is a minor mistake that this 500 million electron volt is without square. Okay, actually this is also square. Okay, once again I point out this mistake that this implies that 1746 million electron volt whole square becomes equal to 500 million electron volt whole square plus mc square whole square. This implies that mc square whole square will be kept on one side, and hence 1746 million electron volt square minus 500 million electron volt square. Okay, this is in the previous step, this is square, but here by mistake this square has been mistakenly omitted. Okay, so it will be considered as 500 million electron volt square. Okay, so this implies that mc square whole square becomes equal to this into a million electron volt square. Okay, actually dear students, square of 1746 plus square of 500 is added and it has become equal to 3048516, while million electron volt whole square is common for both, and hence it is written separately within bracket. Okay, in the next step dear students, actually 304851C is equal to the square of 1746, while 25 4 times 0 is the square of 500. Okay, so we have just simplified these two terms, and hence our mc square whole square has become equal to 2798516 million electron volt square. Okay, because from this bigger figure 3048516, this minor figure 250000 has been subtracted, and hence mc square whole square has become equal to this. In the next step we will take under root on both sides. Okay, and hence mc square will become equal to this. Okay, that is to say under root of 2798516 becomes equal to 1672.81, while under root of million electron volt square becomes simply million electron volt. Okay, here square has been eliminated or omitted, and hence simply million electron volt is the result. From here we keep m on one side and c square will be divided on other side of equality, and hence m becomes equal to 1672.88 million electron volt over c square. Okay, this c square will be divided on other side of equality. Okay, now we know that E is equal to gamma mc square. From where we have taken this, we have taken this expression from here. E is equal to mc square over 1 minus u square over c square under root, and this alternatively becomes equal to Lorentz factor gamma into mc square. Okay, so we have directly written E equal to Lorentz factor gamma into mc square. This implies that if we keep Lorentz factor gamma on one side, then mc square will be divided on E, that is Lorentz factor gamma becomes equal to E over mc square. We have both values of E as well as mc square. Okay, because dear students, value of mc square we have calculated in previous step, while value of E is given in the statement. Okay, here is the situation. mc square is equal to 1672.88 million electron volt. Okay, from here we have taken this value of mc square. Okay, this value of mc square, this value of mc square in the denominator, and in the numerator 1746 million electron volt, which is provided in the statement, and hence after simplification our Lorentz factor gamma becomes equal to 1.04. Now we come towards the last part of this problem. Okay, that is in which we will find speed parameter u over c. Okay, gamma is equal to 1 over 1 minus u square over c square. Gamma, we know that gamma value of gamma we have found in the previous step, which is 1.04. Okay, hence 1.04 is equal to 1 over 1 minus u square over c square. This implies that if we multiply if we shift 1 minus u square over c square under root on other side of equality, then it will become in the numerator instead of denominator, and 1.04 will be divided on 1. Okay, 1.04 will be shifted to denominator, while 1 minus u square over c square will be shifted to a numerator. Okay, and hence 1 minus u square over c square becomes equal to this over this. When we take square of both sides, then we get 1 minus u square over c square equal to 1 over 1.0816. That is to say, square of 1.04 is 1.0816. Okay, from here when we simplify it, it becomes equal to 0.92. 1 minus u square over c square is equal to 0.92. This implies that if we shift u square over c square on other side of equality, then 0.92 will be subtracted from 1, and hence u square over c square will become equal to 0.08. In the next step we will take under root on both sides, and hence u over c will become equal to 0.283, and c will be multiplied with 0.283. Okay, and hence u will become equal to 0.283c. Okay, u over c equal to 0.283, but u equal to 0.283c, where c is the speed of light. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.